FA Cup. But another day, Kotoko conceded 1 goal. Yes, I did matches are carrying on. Crop yana and conceded goal. Asante Kotoko, after 4th consecutive win. Now we are going to do the tactical analysis of how Prosper Nete Okum, one of the Chinia, and the team at Karim Sito. Now, Osha Karim Sito by Satu goes to 1. No, and the other one at the amount. But they are saying subscribe to channel at the Amai. Kindly subscribe to the channel. And once you subscribe, now click so at the Amai. Want to reach 40,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We are 38,000 and more. And with your help, we can reach the target of 40,000. Now, young game, Asante Kotoko, I will game as usual. I go with the typical 4-3-3 system. Coach Prosper Nete Okum, or tie Eddie Era game. Yes, alongside the game, he made some switches. We'll come there and explain it. But came here, Prosper Era with a typical 4-3-3 system. And who were the men out of the Era game? Goalkeeper Kamara at that post. Unfortunately, the center backs are not disappointed, and I'm not considered goal. It was a goal that keeper but upon the toy on a strike and dinner or he moved out, but went to me and save it. So he was imposed. Then make a chow that it will be a offside channel way before this game. Line up the mound. The same thing and
Justice Blay at times, even though no born home, but sa go na Bama Kotoko, a consider sa go no. Then if you know man by because the pass no or the ma Kotoko player na one pass in a result into that go no also honum. Eti moment was in Pepe Suarez and so honum or the or take him a coin as Santi Kotoko. On the field, the way I name Mexico and or the home analysis a player to me Pepe Suarez and so on.
Coach Eddie Irem. On the right side, Lord Amwa very, very fantastic today. Left side, Emmanuel Kote. Central defense, now is Samba, Ndonkani, O'Neill, Kelpani, the Congolese soldier, and Joseph Ablo, central defense. Then Oko and Fifiwa, Justice in Coco play, for captain's armband, number 6, number 8, now Andrews in Timenu, number 10, Papa Yahya. After 3 players are up front, Peter Amidu Aqua started from the right, Dauda Saka from the left, and apparently Elvis J. Pafo Auchi as the central striker. Say, and I could go game and then a typical 4-3-3. And I've told you, 4-3-3 no more. Anytime PR opponent now obey 4 midfielders, you may think on paper about number, but an AK no one should be now. Sabra, Kotoko Ajibola, Omolanchi attack. When Kotoko are attacking, Ubo say Emmanuel could take the left back, maybe move it into the midfield position. Now, branch the thing at Lodamwa and move into the middle. So Kotoko will now get 5 players in the middle. So Kotoko 8 defender, and also wing forward, it's left wing forward. In this instance, Dauda Saka, right wing forward. In this instance, apparently the thing at Peter Mijo Aqua, one with every way so be Ramedel. Now, Kotko, Latras, I go take a normal position. No more become 3 midfielders, still. Now, Kotko, 5 midfielders. In general, in a typical attacking situation, say the Nakotko middle net here already, Baba, the creative midfielder. A branch of central midfielder in Timenu, and a holding midfield Justice Play. Then the fullbacks will invert into the middle. Now, Omabe inverted midfielders. When they invert and become inverted midfielders, then got midfield now. Ebabe Lord Amwa, Emmanuel Kote, Justice Play, Baba Yaya, and Intimenu. The Pajawatias. Sanso and a naked near Shano. Sapono back of Kosoa. Then the 2 fullbacks now in Emmanuel Kote, our left. And I planted it at Lord Amo right, I'm going to take your normal position. Now back line 4. Now the Dauda Saka left side of attack. Any Pitamid Aqua right side of attack. I'll drop it. Ababeka, Justice Play, Ntimenu, Baba Yaya, Niamina, a midfield of 5, comprising of Justice Play, Andrews Ntimenu, Baba Yaya, Dauda Saka, and Peter Amido Agua. Sadi we are prosper na te okum yemona baso. Say Europe and a coaches na and can sit down, do the analysis and give them the credit. I think that prosper na te okum it deserves our credit no. Now in a game no no. Yes, Asante Kotoko had in mind that they win this game. And Makacho previously, more of your channel with Makacho say prosper aye analysis. In terms of the games, Makacho say Omo money in an airport, Omo Dakotoko Suli now be able home. So they will win. But the good news is that Kotoko Airquawi, Sekotoko FA winner next week, Sunday, 24th of December. Krobia Sante Kotoko. Ebebo Bibiani Gold Stars. Now Kotoko are on 24 points. Gold Stars, 27. Bando out of Lions, 27. Kotoko Eche Gold Stars Eshena. Obechen 27. Gold Stars Baha. Bando out of Lions, Ebekwawi. It is a Bando out of Lions, we don't control points. Na Kotoko Eche Gold Stars, Kotoko Bando out of Lions, any BPN Gold Stars. Enyano, Ebe tie at the top of the league table. That is the analysis, Medical Aye and the amount. And clearly, no Musadiano, I will prosper now, and then ranch and I dream. Now, Mame Enfanto as a game on the 35th minute, goalkeeper Kamara kept Kotoko in the game. 35th minute. That chance falling to club at the Dreams FC. It's more at the experience but goalkeeper actually and young one was a bra, Bono, a dot, more consider go no. No, there's a perform because no determined to keep more clean sheets. League anymore. But of course, it's a good win for Kotoko.